All right, so it's time for us to add some really cool functionality. And we're going to be adding the graphs that I showed you in the demo before. They're going to be graphs below here. And we're going to get it from Google. So the first thing that we need to do is actually go to google.com and make sure that you have a Google account and just go to Google Charts. I don't know if they will let you use their API without a Google account. I suggest you grab one anyways. So just have a Google account. Go to the first link there when you search for Google Charts, the results. Then go to Overview, Chart Gallery, and here we're gonna have a whole bunch of charts that we can use. All right. Now we're gonna be using a simple chart like this one. Right, and this is the URL. You can welcome to pause the video and copy that URL if you want. Let's go to column chart, and here we will grab one of these pieces of code that we will be using. This is just showing you what the type of things that you can do. All right, just change a couple things on it and you should be good to go, right? But now we need to grab this whole thing, and if you keep going down to where you see this one with the colors, this is the one we are going to be using. So what I want to do is copy the first thing here, which is the script that we are going to be using from Google to pull all this functionality out of it, right? They have this library that has all those JavaScript code defined already. So we're going to use that. Let's go to our admin header and add that link in there, that script link. This is a remote script link, all right? So admin underscore header, and under all this files, we're going to add this before the end of the head tag right here. All right, and that's what we got there. Perfect. Now we need to go to the index, and I think I had a working index right here, not the CMS one, the one in admin. If I'm passing already, all right, I don't see it there. Let me just go to the one in admin right here. All right, so what we want to do is all the way down here, we want to make a row all the way below all these widgets, right? We're going to create a div with a class of row, and we're going to save the file. We're going to go back to Google Charts, and we're going to copy this script from there below the head. Stop, actually above the head, stop there. Copy with your mouse or your keyboard, and you're going to come to the index.php. You're going to paste that in there. All right, now this is not going to work because we don't have any. We are getting the document get element by ID column chart. We don't have that div anywhere here, as a matter of fact, right? No, we don't have that. So we need to go back to here, and you see this right here, this div. This is what we need in order to put all this functionality inside of it. All right. And if you don't know JavaScript, this is JavaScript. If you don't know JavaScript, I have a really great course on JavaScript. Really great reviews. A lot of people like it. All right. Just letting you know. And we're going to place that div right here. All right. So let me just make sure that you see it there. Perfect. Let's go ahead and check it out. See how that looks. I just saved it, by the way. And if I refresh, you can see that we have really cool functionality already. All right. Perfect. Now we're gonna, of course, clean it up a little bit, and we're not gonna be displaying 3 columns of anything there, since this is displaying the data that is related. We're gonna be displaying probably just posts, active posts, draft posts, things like that in here. So we're not going to be needing all these colors there, by the way. It's up to us if we want to, but I'm not going to complicate things, all right? But anyway, so we were able to create this chart here. On the next lecture, we're going to start coding this so we make it dynamic, so we can pull information from our database into this nice chart that Google offers, all right? So anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.